All right, y'all, Super Bowl Sunday isn't just about the game anymore. It's about the ads, the ones that make you laugh, the ones that make you cry, and now, the ones that are powered by AI. That's right, this year, AI focused commercials are taking over the Super Bowl like we've never seen before. Now, before we get into what's happening, let's talk numbers real quick. A single 30-second ad spot is going for a whopping $8 million this year. And with over 200 million people watching, that means companies are paying less than a nickel per viewer to get their message across. But instead of crypto or car commercials dominating like in previous years, this year is all about AI. Who's buying up these AI ad spots? Let's break it down. OpenAI is rumored to be making its Super Bowl commercial debut. That's right, ChatGPT might be in the biggest advertising event of the year. And given the recent buzz around AI, you better believe they're coming with something big. Meta is pushing its AI-powered Ray-Bans. Remember those futuristic-looking smart glasses? This is their moment. Salesforce is bringing AI to the dinner table. Expect a creative ad about how AI is reshaping business. GoDaddy is showcasing its AI-powered design features, proving that even website builders are getting the AI upgrade. Now, some major AI players are sitting this one out, like Anthropic, the company behind Claude AI. Last year, they did a simple 5-second ad that just said, "Claude is AI for all of us." And that was it. No big production, just a mic drop moment. This year, they're skipping the show entirely. Could DeepSeek make a surprise appearance? Now let's talk about the wild card in all of this, DeepSeek AI. If you've been following tech news, you already know DeepSeek just shook Silicon Valley to its core by offering an AI model just as powerful as ChatGPT, but way cheaper to run. And given how much attention they've been getting, a Super Bowl ad could be their power move to take the AI crown. We don't know for sure if they'll be there, but if DeepSeek does drop an ad, it's going to send shockwaves through the industry. Why this Super Bowl is a big deal for AI? Listen, Super Bowl ads aren't just about brand awareness. They're about telling us what's next. In past years, we saw the rise of crypto ads before the big crash, the explosion of sports betting ads when that industry went mainstream, the dominance of car ads when the auto industry was thriving. Now, AI is the new king. If you weren't convinced that AI is here to stay, the Super Bowl will make it crystal clear. Final thoughts. Are we watching the AI bowl? So what does this all mean? AI is officially mainstream, not just for techies, but for everyone. The biggest AI companies are going head to head for your attention. We could be witnessing the moment AI takes over advertising as we know it. And the biggest question, will people actually connect with these AI ads, or will it feel like brands are just hopping on the trend? Either way, get ready. The Super Bowl isn't just about football anymore. It's about the future of AI. What do y'all think? Are you excited to see these AI commercials, or do you think it's too much? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI news. Stay smart, stay curious, and always secure the bag.